Someone bought this SUV for $88,000. 5 years later, it sold for just $34,000. That's $54,000 gone. Poof, vanished. And the scary part? Most owners never saw it coming. Today, we're exposing 12 SUVs quietly destroying their owners' money. Some lose 60% of their value. Some rack up thousands in surprise repair bills. And one SUV on this list is becoming so risky, it could literally become unsellable. And here's the kicker. There's a good chance one of these cars is sitting in your driveway right now. Do you know which one? Number 12, Maserati Levante. Looks like wealth, but financially, it behaves like a money shredder. Buy one new for around $90,000. 5 years later, worth about $35,000. $55,000 gone. Why? Italian luxury repair bills scare used buyers. Once the warranty ends, demand evaporates. Number 11, Nissan Armada. Powerful V8, but here's the problem. It drinks fuel like it's 2005. Emphasize, drinks fuel. With rising gas prices and hybrids everywhere, big SUVs like this are losing resale demand fast. Many owners don't realize how fast the value collapses. Let's pause for a second. Dealers love to talk about monthly payments, but resale value is where people lose the most money. Emphasize, resale value. And this is where SUVs quietly shred your savings. Beautiful but expensive. Once the warranty ends, repairs can easily hit thousands. Electronics fail. Buyers know this. Emphasize thousands. Extremely popular. But popularity equals millions on the used market equals lower resale prices. Spacious, but reliability scares buyers. Maintenance worries equals value drops fast. Transmission complaints on certain years. Supply is high. Demand drops. Resale value collapses. By the way, everything you've seen so far is normal depreciation. But the next 3 SUVs? They're financial disasters. Emphasize, financial disasters. Luxury tech is great. Until it breaks. Pause. Repairs can reach thousands in just a few years. Emphasize thousands. Example. One owner paid $4,200 for a failed suspension. $100,000 new. 5 years later, often worth $50,000 less. Brutal. Cooling systems, oil leaks, expensive parts. Buyers factor this into the price. Famous for depreciation. Owners fear repair bills. Air suspension. Electronics costs can easily exceed $5,000 after warranty. Emphasize numbers. Cars losing value is normal. But losing $20,000 to $70,000 because you bought the wrong SUV? That's avoidable. And there's another SUV people are buying right now with a hidden $5,000 repair trap. I exposed it in this video right here. And the SUV quietly destroying the most owner money is Range Rover. Why? Popularity, legendary maintenance nightmares, and insane repair costs. Some lose over $70,000 in just 5 years. If you own one, you're not just losing money. You're trapped in a financial time bomb. Cars losing value is normal. But losing $20,000 to $70,000 because you bought the wrong SUV? That's avoidable. And there's another SUV people are buying right now with a hidden $5,000 repair trap. I exposed it in this video right here.